Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a unboxing video, and I've been waiting for this for a couple of weeks now, and it's my MacBook. I actually got this for my gaming channel also, but mostly for this one also. Actually, it's a lot of alsos, but this is it. It's in the box right now. It just came in right now, like as I'm filming this video. So yeah, I'm about to unbox it and let's get started.
To myself, nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. 난 너를 생각해.
Okay guys, so I just finished with my school and I'm just gonna like set up everything on my MacBook. I already had set up, but I only downloaded Roblox right now because I just wanted to check it out how it was. So right now I'm just gonna like do everything, and I'll put the videos I'm gonna watch down in the description down below so you guys can watch them too.
Yeah, so I just put a wallpaper, and I just put this wallpaper that says pumpkin spice all things nice, which is
a really basic saying, but it's just fall, so yeah. So this is like the keyboard, and yeah, that's all I've gotten right now. I got Roblox, as you guys know, and I'm just watching some videos, and yeah, that's pretty much all I have done.